In this Hubstar Connect example, I'm going to use the agenda view to plan my day on the 7th. The first thing I want to do is make sure that I can secure a car parking space. So I'm going to select the shortcut for an all-day parking slot. Hubstar Connect remembers what I was looking at last, which was electric parking bays, but in this case I don't need one of those, so I'm going to clear the filter and look at all available car parking spaces. In this example, I'm going to select a regular car parking space and select this location. There are a couple of customizable fields that we've chosen to store information about, which is car registration and the make and model of the car. We can then confirm the reservation and know that we have a car parking space booked for our day in the office. The next thing I want to do is book a morning meeting with my team. So I'm going to select the room shortcut and I'm going to select the time that I wish to have the meeting for. This will show me all the available rooms in the system. I'm going to filter down a little bit more specifically about what I want. In this case I want to meet in Bristol. I want the room to hold at least 3 people and I want to have the ability to choose a room layout. This narrows down my selection, in this case just to one room that's available. I can select that location and we're presented with a form that we can fill out. And this form is fully customizable. These are just the fields that we've chosen to store within the system. I'm marking it as an internal meeting. This can be useful both for myself but also for other team members and administrators to know what type of meeting it is. I also have the ability to invite any attendees, and as we can see the system is showing me that these attendees are handily both in the office on the day that I wish to meet them. We've got a lot of other options that we can add to a form to trap information or to order services. In this case, here are my room layouts as I wanted to see. And I'm going to choose the boardroom layout, and we can see that's got a 15-minute prep time and cleanup time associated with it. I'm also going to be generous and order some breakfast for the team. I can do that simply with the menu-based system. Now, in case somebody can't make it into the office at the last minute, I'm going to add some Teams credentials to this from the same form. And I'm going to add a cost code for chargeback for my catering. And I've got a dietary requirements section that I'm filling out as well. Once I've filled out everything I need to, I can confirm the reservation and all the details are stored within the system. Now, after my 9 AM meeting with the team, I'm going to want somewhere to sit for the rest of the day, and the system knows that I've got nothing booked after 10 o'clock, so it's given me a shortcut here, fill time with, which will automatically give me a booking between the end time of my meeting and the end of my working day, so 10 till 5 in this case. So I can really quickly, in just a couple of clicks, get myself a desk secured for the rest of the day. Selecting the desk from the map and confirming the reservation. And that's my day all organised for the 7th.